Hello and welcome back to Avyann ChatFlow. In this video, we'll show you how to onboard your WhatsApp business account with Avyann ChatFlow. After logging into your dashboard, click Connect with Facebook. This will open the WhatsApp onboarding process. Sign into your Facebook account if prompted. Then, select your business portfolio and the WhatsApp business account you want to connect. If you don't already have a business portfolio or WhatsApp business account, you can create a new one during the onboarding process. Now, enter the mobile number you want to use for your WhatsApp business account. Make sure this number is available to receive an OTP. Enter the OTP to verify and confirm your WhatsApp business number. Once the verification is successful, you'll see a confirmation that your WhatsApp account has been connected to Avyann ChatFlow. Click Finish to complete the onboarding process. The final step is to add a payment method in your Meta Business Manager. Open business.facebook.com, go to Billing and Payments, and add your billing details along with a valid payment method. That's it! Your WhatsApp business account is now onboarded with Avyann ChatFlow and ready to start messaging your customers. Thank you for choosing Avyann ChatFlow.